Hey guys, Kenny Bonus here with Bonus Accounting, and we have created this video to help walk you through the annual filing requirement for the state of Pennsylvania for LLCs, corporations, partnerships, and S Corps. You can utilize this video to help walk you through this annual requirement, or you could engage with us to do this service for you. The filing fee is typically only $7. If you'd like us to just do this for you annually, it's $125 a year. A lot of people just want to set it and forget it and just have us handle it. But if you like to dig in and do it yourself, this video is for you. So we have the guide link here in the links below. So I definitely recommend clicking on that. You will then follow this guide step by step. You'll go to the website listed here for the business filing services. You will then navigate to the screen where you can either register if you've never been on this website before, and then if you have, you'll create your username and then enter your password, save that so you can get into this regularly. After getting to that screen, you'll look for this icon here for the business filing services. Click on that and be directed to this next screen where you will search for your business name. You'll want to go ahead and type in your business name, and then from there you'll have your results down below, and you will click on that and it'll actually indicate what step 6 is showing, file annual report. When you click on that, it'll bring you to this step 7 screen, and you will start to go through the different details relating to your LLC. I think the main reason the state wants to do this is because they want to know who owns the business and what is the registered office. If you have changed locations, this is a good time to change your address. I actually had to do this when I was filing one of mine earlier. So what you'll go to this screen, you can click to receive emails in relation to notices from the state, rather than them just mailing a hard copy letter to you. Step 8, this is where you'll pick your registered office. Most people are just going to say, I do not want to change the registered office, but if you moved, this is where you can change it. Moving on to step 9, this is the principal office, your address that you're currently at. Go ahead and add that on there. And then your governors. This is basically the person who's in charge. So if it's just you at the LLC, go ahead and put that. If it's the main presidents, if there's multiple partners or officers, go ahead and put them here. From there, you'll move on to step 11, where you'll add the different names and officers. If there are any, go ahead and click on that. I believe that this is mandatory for all corporations. If you're an LLC, this may not apply. Moving on down, this is where the processing fee, you receive notification of that, $7. If you're part of a nonprofit, then it's $0, which is nice. But you'll want to make sure you have a credit card ready for that, and it is a business expense. On to step 13, you'll confirm the information that you've entered. Pretty straightforward there. If you've changed the address, it'll show that. You'll see the various officers that are listed. Step 14, you are then reviewing your verifications. You'll click each of the boxes, and then you will put your name, who is completing this, your capacity, signing for that, and then date. Moving on from there, you'll file it and make your payment through a credit card. Like I said, it's a business expense, and then you will have a couple of these forms available for download. I recommend saving it down to your computer, print it for your records, and that will have you successfully filed for the annual requirement. And that'll do it just for 1 year. You want to remember to jump on there annually and get that filed. Pretty straightforward, but again, a lot of people just don't want to have to worry about this. Have us at Bonus Accounting help you out with it. Feel free to let us know, and we will help you out with questions and filing it for you as well. Thank you.